name's Danny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to focus on the restoration of my 5-ton Evelyn and Porter steam tractor, and also to follow the journeys to rallies across the UK with my other Evelyn and Porter steam tractor. We'll also have some railway engines, my 7¼ inch gauge Black 5 and some of my 5-inch gauge engines as well will be featured on this channel. So let's start this journey together and let's get to restoration of my 5-ton Evelyn and Porter steam tractor. Keep tuned, like and subscribe.